Dura-Lift door hardware. In this video, we will show you how to easily replace or install new rollers on your sectional garage door. To begin, close the door and disengage the opener so that there's no chance of the door opening by itself during installation. Use the claw of a hammer to pull the bottom roller off the track. While the roller is off the track, remove the roller from the hinge. Insert the new roller into the hinge. Repeat this process for all of the remaining rollers except for the top roller. Be sure to only replace one side of the garage and one roller at a time. If you're unable to take the rollers out of the track with a hammer, you can unbolt the track so that it is easier to remove the rollers. Then bolt the track back in once the new rollers are installed. For the top rollers, manually open the door so that it is all of the way open. With the top roller overhead, lift the top section and roller so it is not in the track and remove the roller from the hinge to replace it with your new roller. Pop the new roller into the track. Repeat this process for the other side of the door. Re-engage the arm and the operator once finished installing the rollers. You have now successfully replaced your garage door rollers. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for best practices for repairing or improving your garage door. Comment or contact us if you have any questions. Dura-Lift door hardware, setting the standard in door parts.